Hi, everybody, and welcome to the Squamish Real Estate Show December market update. It has been a crazy year this year in real estate where the market looked fairly flat. In fact, we were about 20% below averages running throughout the year. Then all of a sudden, in Vancouver, there was a huge push up in the market in July, which caused a whole bunch of properties to sell very quickly. As a result, we had an influx here about 2 months after that happened. What we're looking at is months of September, October, November have been incredibly busy. So where we were 20% behind, we went up about 25 to 30% above the averages for those months in previous years. Pretty exceptional numbers that we had. So during that time, what we've done is we've created a bit of a balanced market and there's been some shifts. So these are the things I'm going to talk about and show you right here, right now. I've got a little bit of numbers action for you all. So here we sit. Right now in the marketplace, we have 210 listings. Of those 210 listings that are currently on the market, 53 of them are assignments. Then on top of those 53 assignments, if you look at those, 73 of the homes that are listed so if you take 53 off of the 210 properties that are currently on the market, that's put you around about 157. So of the 157 properties listed, 73 of those are single family dwellings and 34 of those are townhouses and duplexes. So it gives you an idea of what's actually out there on the market, which is not a lot of property, not a lot of product out there. So in November, we had 37 sales, which is again quite high. But in September and October, you can see here, we were up to 100 plus sales through September and October. October being the biggest month of about 60 plus sales. Our sales to active ratio, what's interesting is that is starting to creep up, which is indicating benefit to the sellers. And then the HPI, which is the housing price index, is also rising at the moment. So keep those numbers in mind because that's going to give us an indication of what's coming down the pipe. So recognizing that there's only 157 properties that are non-assignment currently on the market, that means there is going to be a low level of inventory available. Also, what we are all seeing as we talk amongst the offices and amongst other realtors is that the number of buyers that we have that are waiting for their opportunity to purchase is actually going up at this time. That's what's caused all the purchasing to happen. So in February, when a whole bunch of new properties start to come on, which is typically when it happens around the second, third week of February now, there's going to be a whole bunch of pent-up demand waiting to buy those properties. The last 5 or 6 deals that we have been involved with or we have been associated with have gone to multiple offers. This is creating a huge push in the marketplace. So at this point, prices are not changing. But here's where we need to look at it. If you are a buyer looking for a property, get all of your ducks in a row. It is so important for you guys to actually know exactly what you can afford, exactly what you want to do, and know exactly what you want to buy. So if you haven't been out looking at properties, get out there, know exactly what it is that you want, be in a position to write a very, very clean offer with very quick subject removal. If you are a seller, sellers get your properties ready so that they are ready to go at the very beginning of February. You cannot be waiting until the end of February now to get your properties on. There's so much pent up demand. We need to get on these things. So if you're thinking of buying or selling at this point in time, make sure you have all of your ducks in a row and you're ready to go at the very latest at the beginning of February. I think that's it for now. I will do a year-end wrap-up in January and sort of give you the whole pretense of the market. We're currently anticipating that the market is going to continue in a bit of an upward trajectory. We are going to see price movement actually upward in January, February, and then we'll probably see it stabilize throughout the remainder of the year. But we'll probably see 3 to 4% increases throughout the year next year. We're looking forward to a strong year. Yeah, apart from there being any major challenges economically, things are looking quite strong. So if you have any questions at all, feel free to call me anytime, 604-892-8155, or if you want to email me, I can be reached at simon@simonhudson.ca. Thanks very much and have a fantastic Christmas and all the best for the holiday season. Bye for now.